My coily hair craves so much moisture and attention. So today I'll show you my coily girl routine using the African Pride's Moisture Miracle collection. The Moisture Miracle collection was created for the specific needs of coily and curly hair. Ready? Here we go. First I'll start with the aloe and coconut water pre-shampoo for detangling and conditioning. I'll start by applying to dry hair prior to shampooing and distributing evenly. You can use your fingers or a comb to detangle and remove shed hairs. Leave it on up to 30 minutes and then rinse and shampoo. The aloe and coconut water simultaneously helps to nourish, condition, protect against breakage, and it also restores moisture. Next up is the honey and coconut shampoo for nourishment and shine. Per usual, you'll apply it to wet hair and scalp, and then you're going to massage into a rich lather. This hydrates and elongates our natural coils and curls. It's also sulfate-free and color-safe. The honey and coconut oil together deeply conditions, hydrates, attracts moisture, and adds shine. Now it's time for the honey, chocolate, and coconut oil conditioner. Time to repair and replenish. This conditioner will help to nourish and restore moisture to your natural curls and coils. Of course, after shampooing with the Nourish and Shine shampoo, apply generously to damp hair. Detangle and rinse after about 15 minutes. This is also sulfate-free and color-safe. The coconut oil, honey, and cacao powder helps to deeply condition, hydrate, naturally attracts, and helps to retain moisture, also prevents damage and promotes hair growth. Before styling, you want to prep your hair with the coconut milk and honey leave-in conditioner. It's great for hydration and shine. Now this leave-in conditioner refreshes, softens the hair, and preps it for styling. You want to be sure to shake it well prior to application. It can be used on clean, wet hair or dry hair to freshen up your curls and coils. Now it's time to style with the shea butter and flaxseed oil curling cream. This step is highly important for moisture and definition. The curling cream adds shape, hydration, and shine to the hair. You'll apply to the hair in workable sections. It can be used on damp or dry hair, perfect for twist outs, braid outs, finger coils, rod sets, and wash and goes. The shea butter and flaxseed oil deeply moisturizes, helps to strengthen and protects, and offers a natural hold and shine. My style of choice today, and typically my favorite style ever, is going to be a twist out. And finally, we're going to use the 5 essential oils with vitamin E to strengthen and protect. Be ready to seal in moisture and add shine. This can be used on wet or dry hair as well as the scalp. Also perfect for hot oil treatments. The castor oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and olive oil are the 5 essential oils that make up this oil. Helps to nourish the scalp to promote growth, helps to smooth the hair and add shine, is a natural antioxidant, deeply conditions and hydrates, and helps to repair the hair. So as you can see, each product in the collection delivers intensive moisturizing benefits with each step of your natural routine. I hope you decide to give this collection a try. You can find it at your local Walgreens.